Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to talk about our fast screen series. We call it a rocket read. It's a screen pass option of a swing to the back or a tunnel screen to the wide receiver. We'll first show you how we do a team start and drills for consistent practice methods. Then we'll go through the blocking of it and then show you different variations. One key here with all of our screens, whether it's fast or slow, the offensive line uses one blocking scheme. The only difference is we change the timing of it. Let's take a look. So first, here's our stretch, screen, and score drill, something I've used from the college level all the way down to 9th grade and high school, so that we have a consistent routine to be good at our screen package. You can see here we're going to have a group offensively going against the coaches, gets everybody involved, and then we're going to go in and score, run through the back of the end zone, and cycle around with the next group coming at you. You can do this for however many minutes you want, but it's a great way to get your tempo going fast and, again, establish that routine of consistency with your screen game. The other way is to do just a classic screen pass option drill, and this is for your fast and slow screen. So you can see here we've got two quarterbacks going where we're running, again, the swing to the back to one side and the tunnel to the other, and at the same time the linemen on the right there are going through that screen blocking scheme. With the O-line, the way we keep this simple is, again, we're going to do the same blocking rules, just change the timing between fast and slow. For our fast screen, you can see the tackles are both going to lock up and basically use their stretch rule blocking to their side. The play side guard, being the left guard here, then will hit and take off flat to the number 2 defender from the sideline. Center will pull flat to the Sam, and the backside guard will pull flat to the Mike. All right, first, we always like to teach from a 2x2 set. This is our classic rocket read screen. We're going to call this to where the linemen are going. So the linemen are going left, then we will call it Southern Lion, South cueing, screen blocking, and Lion, meaning it's going to be fast tempo. You can see then the quarterback is going to read the will with the back running a swing to the back side. If he feels he has outside leverage on the will, the quarterback's going to throw that. If it's a maybe or the will runs with the back, then he's going to flip his hips all the way back around and do the tunnel screen to the X receiver. You can see the H has to go block number 1, and then we've got our lineman getting 2, Sam and the Mike. Another way to run this, which I really like, is off of our run action, and it's going to be a Southern with a peak signal Lion. Again, linemen are running this fast screen to the left, but instead of a swing screen, when we give the peak signal, now the H is going to run his hot bender and the back will fake and replace. Quarterback will do his slide step for mesh, reading the will. If he fills, we'll drill the H. If it's a maybe or he drops, then he's going to flip his hips to the left and again throw the tunnel screen to the Z receiver this time. Another variation is to be able to designate who we run the tunnel screen to. In this case, we're going to call it Southern Lion 2, so the number 2 receiver, being the A, will get the tunnel screen. Same read progression. Quarterback will read the will out the weak side for the back on the swing. If he has leverage, he throws it. Another thing that will happen is if the will blitzes, throw hot to the back. If not, then we're going to come back and throw the tunnel to the A receiver now. A receiver's technique is to go ahead and run a bubble route and then stop, plant, and come back to the quarterback, not until the quarterback is clearly looking at him to throw the ball. Last, this is a great scheme to run out of a 3x1 set. You can see we're in a trio left. We're going to go Southern Lion 2 again. Real simple now. Quarterback reads the will. If he stares or blitzes and we get leverage, we throw it. If it's a maybe or anything else, then quarterback flips his hips, throws the tunnel screen to the A receiver again, faking the bubble until the quarterback looks at him. Z blocks number 1, H goes to 2, and we still have our lineman pulling 2 to Sam to Mike. You can see now we've got a really simple way to use our screen pass options and use full field at the same time, getting the ball to different impact players. Thanks.